to come on and do a video. So for those of you who have been joining me for a long time, everyone knows who I am by now. I'm the strong and powerful Corinne. I'm making a mark that cannot be erased. I'm changing the world one face and head at a time. Everybody get excited, get super, 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 super excited. Get super excited. So for those who are just joining in, I'm going to be doing a glossy lid and glossy. Hey everybody, get excited, get excited. This is a strong and powerful Corinne making a mark that cannot be erased, changing the world one face at a time. Guess what? Get excited, get excited, get excited, get super, super, super excited. Thank you for tuning into my page. Stay tuned for the video. Get excited. Lori Robert bronzer. And I'm just going to cover my whole entire lid with this. And this is going to be my transition color that I'm going to use for this look. So I'm going to do a cat eye because it's the look that I want to do. So I'm going to do my cat eyes. And you can check out my YouTube channel if you want to learn how to create your own cat eye. So hope everyone's morning is going well. Mine's is going great. I was up early this morning. Thank God. Thank God, thank God, thank God. Okay, thank you. Thank you. So I did the cat eye. So what I'm doing now, I'm just taking a black liner and I'm hitting it in the waterline. So, and I'm going to go at the bottom a little as well. So I am going to use this Lori Robert lip gloss. I love this. I love the lip gloss. And right now I can't see the name, but I guarantee I will put it in the comment section for you ladies. It looks like this. And I'm going to use this on the lid. And I'm just going to pat it on. And this is going to give my lid a glossy look. And it's going to give me that glossy effect that you see on the runway. Get excited, folks. Look at that. Ooh, 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 ooh. Get excited, get excited. Tawana, you would like this color. Because it's more like it's like a pink. Look at that. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. This is nice. Tell me what you ladies think. This is beautiful. I love that. And this should last you all day long. This is an easy look you can do in the mornings to get out your house. Can you ladies get excited about that? Something quick and easy. That's not going to take all day, right? Now remember, you only want to put it on the lid. Only on the lid area, okay, ladies? What I like about this gloss, it really, look how this took on the lids. Wow, look at that. Look at that, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you for the hearts. Thank you. Thank you. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, I'm going to have a ball today with this look. I'm just going to put that right there like so it can pop a little more. Look at that. I'm just highlighting in the eye area. How that look so far, guys? I'm going to put my lashes on and I'm going to do my lips, and guess what? My look will be completed. And this is an easy look. Glossy lips, glossy lips. Look at that. Wow. Watching, and it should be a little brown. So that's my glossy lips and my glossy lips, and that will be it, folks. Everyone have a wonderful, 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 wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, comment below, and on your way out, hit the bell button for notification. Until next time, have a wonderful, wonderful day. Get excited. Get super excited.